to my channel. So what I have going on for the night, I have some pig feet over there. You know what I mean? I have to scoop up some good pig feet. You know, so I'm going to let them boil for a little while, and then I'm going to fry them. So we're going to have some fried pig feet. I ain't never had fried pig feet before, so I'm just to try it for the first time. You know what I mean? Something different for my video. Anyway, so what I have right here, I have some soy sauce. I have my thymes. I have a half a tablespoon of crushed rosemary, 3 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, 4 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of crushed red peppers, 3 tablespoons of some of that good parsley, and 3 more tablespoons of some bay leaves. So that's what your boy got going on. I also have my onions cut up, my red and green hot pepper, and some fresh ginger. You know what I mean? Can't forget that lime juice. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of apple cider vinegar, so I have everything laid out for you. So bear with your boy. I'm doing this by myself. My wife not here right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and make it happen. I have some extra virgin olive oil in there. Boom. I'm supposed to turn that on after I rinse my pig feet, let them soak in some vinegar and water for like 15-20 minutes. So if you'll make it happen. So that's what your boy have going on the day after Thanksgiving. You know what I mean? I want to keep these videos coming. Real talk, you hear? I'm almost to my little goal thing, 1K. So I'm finna make it happen. So let me go ahead and get this right, and we'll take it from there. Boom. Okay, so here we go right here. My olive oil. Did this thing get hot. So now what I'm finna do is put my vegetables in there. Boom. Put them good vegetables in there. Saute them for a second real good. And then once I put these good vegetables in there, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my pig feet. You know what I mean? So I just want the you know what I mean, the flavor. Like I said, I'm gonna boil it. So I just want the flavor from my vegetables. I want that heat from the peppers. So, right up there. Okay, we got that. Switch hands. Now it's time for my pig feet. You know, some people don't like pig feet, but you know what I mean, I'm from the old school, you hear me? My dad from Louisiana. My granny and mama and them, they from Arkansas, so that's what we used to eat. So I'm gonna put these pig feet in here. Boom. You can see the color, you know what I mean, how the color is of the meat, the difference. Because I let it soak in that vinegar and water. And then I rinsed it real good. I ain't gonna fry all these pig feet, you know what I mean? I'm gonna, you know, leave some as is, and, you know, fry some. Just bringing something different to the channel. Now here go my seasoning. All my seasoning right here. So, I added some chicken flavor seasoning with it. So that's the only thing different that I added. Other than that, it's supposed to be Nice and right. Got my good herbs in there. Oh, so that's how I'm doing it right there. You know what I mean? Now, it's time for my lemon juice. Or my lime juice anyway. My bad. So I say, I got my water right here. I'm finna give it like probably like about 6 squirts. There it is right here. Boom. That's that. I also have my soy sauce right here. So go ahead and put my soy sauce in there. You know what I mean? However you want to do with the soy sauce. You know, it's optional how much you want. Boom. So now, you have everything. So what you want to do, you want to cover it up with the water and put a top on that bad boy. I made kind of like a mess. What it is, what it is. So now, what I'm finna do, I'm finna add some more water to it and put me probably like a spoon of vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Put the top on that bad boy and just let it boil until I'm ready to fry them. So that's how your boy doing it right here in my kitchen. You know what I'm talking about? So I'm gonna go ahead and get that right, and we'll take it from there. Right here, everything nice, covered up, boom, just like that there. Nice good pig feet. So we'll let that bad boy boil and get nice and right. You don't want it to fall off the bone. You want it to be tender, but not falling off the bone, because I'm, like I said, I'm gonna fry it. You know what I mean? So that's how I'm doing it right there. You know, well, add a little hot sauce to it. You know, it's optional, however you want to do it, and however much hot sauce you want to add to it. So, yeah, boy, making it happen. You know what I mean? I'm trying to bring these videos, you know, back to back, trying to make it happen. You know what I mean? So there we go right there. Boom. Got that top on there. Boom. Now let it do its thing. Go right here. An hour and 30 minutes of that good pig feet boiling, doing its thing. You know what I mean? Watch it. I mean, I got that good smoke. So, boom. There we go right there. That pig feet doing a stizzle. Looking good. Yes, sir. Don't knock it until you try, you hear? So that's how your boy doing it right there. So what I'm finna do, add some more water to it. And let it do the rest of it, whatever it gotta do. You know what I mean? It'll be done. And then we'll get with the frying thing, you hear me? So that's how we looking. Well, nice flavor. Look at that. Look at that right there. That good pig feet right there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add some water, and we'll take it from there. That's how you want your pig feet to look right there. You know what I mean? Let me get a cool little angle so you can see how they looking. You know what I mean? Let me see. Let me pull one of these bad boys out. Oh, look at that. It's a good pig feet right there. You know what I mean? Look at that. Nice, juicy, tender. You know what I mean? Melt in your mouth. You hear me? You know? So, I'm doing my thing. So that's 2 hours, 20 minutes in, boiling. You know what I mean? So we're going to give it probably like another 40 minutes or something like that. Yeah, another 40 minutes. And then once that 40 minutes up, man, then we'll be gravy. Look at that, man. That's what you call a good pig feet, pimp. You know what I mean? Like I said, don't knock it until you try it. You hear? Boom. For all my pig feet lovers, here we go right here. Yes, sir. Yeah, boy in this good kitchen. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it do its thing. Got my timer going, you know what I mean? I got my timer right there. So we'll get like 45 more minutes. Alright. Right here, I let it sit, you know what I mean, so it can cool down. It ain't too hot for me to touch or grab it or whatever once I dip it in this flour. So what I'm finna do now is go ahead and season my flour. So I have my Pappy's seasoning. Got that much right there. Boom. And I have my Italian seasoning. Boom. Right there. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and mix everything together. So mix it. Then we go cover it up. You know what I mean? Hit it up real good. So that's what I'm gonna fry right here. This right here. Okay. Well, alright. So that's how we looking right there. My grease already doing its thing, getting hot. You know what I mean? Oh. So you just wanna mess with it. You know what I mean? Oh, it's like that there. Yeah, just want to mess with it, spin it around, all the good stuff, you know, so you can get that good flour around it. So I'm fixing to coat each one of these, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so here we go right here. Well, that's one. Well, that's two. That's three. Four. Woo! That's good popping. Wow. Oh. So that's why we're doing it right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this fry, and we'll take it from there. So here we go right here. Nice pig feet, you know what I mean? The regular way boiled. That's how I look right there, boiled. And then here go the fried pig feet right here. So I don't know, I should have did it a different way. I should have used my deep fryer, but you know what I mean, I did it on the stove. And that's the outcome of it right there. It's still good. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna have to do this again one day, you know what I mean? Instead of just putting the flour on there, I should have just wet the flour, you know, and did it that way and just dipped it in the wet flour so it could be coated. Cause as soon as you put it in the hot grease and put the top on, it just like melt the flour off the top of the pig feet. So that's the outcome right there. Here you go right here, you know what I mean? Fried pig feet. You know, I tried my best, but like I said, it still tastes good. Still made it happen right here in my kitchen, you know. I was gonna do some rice with it, but we just, you know what I mean, keep it nice and simple with some pig feet. And that's the thing I got going on. So I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless.